Good afternoon. Myself Dr. M. Takle. The lecture again on Introduction to Machine Drawing, Sharadil Stop Technology College of Engineering, Adrao, second G. Before to start this lecture, we will study what is sectional view. Now, before to that, we will just take overview of part drawing, assembly drawing, production drawing, and how to draw this drawing, that is orthographic views. Then table size, then margin, are the some things which are very important to draw a machine drawing or machine drawing component. Part drawing is a simple part in which dimensions and other things are given. Assembly drawing is made up of various parts, and production drawing it is important drawing in which dimensions, tolerances, limits, surface finish, special processes like heat treatment, honing, burnishing, surface finish are mentioned, whereas GD and TO is on there, that is geometric dimensioning and tolerancing. Then, in this lecture, we will going to study sectional view. A sectional view is obtained by imagining the object as if cut by a cutting plane and the portion between the observer and the section plane being removed. In this, suppose we are taking a job in which a round job in which hole is there inside, that is boring is there, but when we are looking from the front side, the bore is not clear or not visible. So for clear understanding or for visibility, we are going to cut the plane at any, it may be half section, full section, for clear understanding. So sectional view is obtained by that cut plane. Figure shows an object with the cutting plane passing through it. That cutting plane is there. In last lecture we seen that cutting plane XX where that object is cut and its sectional view is drawn. With the cutting plane passing through it, that is cutting plane section XX is there. Cutting plane XX. The two halves drawn apart and that internal details are given. That when we cut this part in between two planes, it may be half or it may be full section, and when it will going to draw, it shows the internal details. I already told that if hole is there in a component, that is boring is there in a component which is not visible in the front view, but by taking its cut section it is visible, so clear understanding is there, so cut section or sectional view is taken. It is very good example of hub in which isometric view is given, and from that cutting plane XX is there. The component is cut at XX. It is an imaginary plane. We have to cut that component to the section XX. When you cut it, section XX, the hatching is shown, because hatching is, we are using hatching when that component is sectional. By considering this hub, there is inside bore is there, which is not visible from front view. So cut section, cutting plane is taken XX, and when it is cut at section XX, the inside diameter called as a bore is clearly visible. In a diagram B, that section XX cut section is given, in which that solid portion is shown by hashed line and internal hole, that bore as shown it is clear, and that two holes also clear in that sectional view. Then is also orthographic projection is drawn. In right hand side, cutting plane XX is taken, the cutting plane XX is cut, then this view is shown in a left hand side view. Right hand side is seen that cut plane is at XX from right hand side, and this left hand side view is there, section XX. Because of that sectional view, it is clear that two small holes also clear, and it is shown in that section view, as well as inside diameter or bore is also visible. that is in inside diameter is also visible, and that solid portion is shown by hatching line. The difference between sectional view and without sectional view, that is front view, is shown here. In the sectional view, cut section is taken at section XX and hatching is shown. But where you see looking from front view, the holes, two small holes are invisible, so it is shown by dotted line. The inside diameter also invisible, so it is shown by dotted line. The difference between these two is, in a sectional view, we are visible that inside dimension, inside things. But in a front view, it is not visible, so shown by dotted lines. It is a very good example of hub for cut section as well as without cut section. There are some methods to draw that sectional view. Correct and incorrect method of sectioning of machine element is shown here. In right hand view, section is cut at XX, then correct method is shown as same as previous drawing. Two holes are visible, then ID is visible, and section is shown by hatching line. Same in a correct drawing, these two holes are visible because that component cut at section XX. Then inside diameter is shown and hatching line is also shown here. But there are some incorrect method also there. In incorrect, first figure is shown. Inside a small diameter, that lines are cut. Then for outside diameter, for inside diameter again, the inside bore, that again lines is cut. This is incorrect method. The second of incorrect drawing is, here sectional view taken as well as front view also taken. Front view also taken. This is incorrect method, because if either we have to go with sectional view or either we have to go with a plane view, but it is sectional as well as plane view is combination is there, because normally in view it is written that 4 holes of diameter on equi-space like that. So it is not necessary to show again that hole. So only cuts, in cut section that hole is not visible, so don't show that. Then third method is again which is incorrect. Small holes are shown visible because of cut section, but in a cut section that inside diameter also visible, but here shown that it is by dotted, so which is incorrect method. So there are some correct and incorrect method of sectioning of machine element, but the design engineer must know the conventional representation of drawing for clarity of drawing, for understanding, and for clear visibility of the drawing for the manufacturing purpose, quality purpose, and any other department purpose, because it is a working drawing we are giving to the supplier. Half section. In last half, which cutting plane is at the center, that is full section, but in some cases depends on the drawing, half section is also taken, and the half section A shown here, half section cut, the plane is shown, and when it cut by half section, the view is shown here, and its cut section is also shown. When we cut it half section, the views comes like in figure C, that is one part is a sectional view and another is a not sectional view. So such type of their methods are there, full section, half section. It depends on understanding of the component, visibility of the component, the criticalism of the component. So design engineer must aware which type of section must be there, full section or half section, because the drawing must be clear by other persons. And very important thing, we are going to draw the orthographic views, that is front view, side view and top view. There are various methods of angle projection are first angle and third angle projection method. Normally we are using first angle method, but in some cases, in some drawing, third angle method is also there. In a first angle method, left hand side view is drawn in front side, then right hand side view is drawn in left side, top view is drawn on bottom view is drawn on top side. Similarly, opposite in the third angle method, left hand side is drawn by looking from left side, right hand side is drawn by looking from right side, top view from top face, and bottom view in the bottom from bottom face. Here consider first angle symbol is there, third angle symbol is there. Consider a cylindrical piece, taper piece. When looking from the left hand side, considering that first angle method, the first hole is visible and second hole is visible. So in a first angle method, we are looking from left side and draw it to the right side. So from left side, first diameter is clear, second diameter is clear, and it is drawn on the right side. Then in the third angle projection method, again consider taper piece, and from left hand side, by looking at left hand side view, left side, the first circle is clear, second circle is also clear. It means that by looking left side, the sketch is drawn on the left side. So the difference between first angle and third angle is that in the first angle, left hand side view drawn on the right side of front view, right hand side view on the left side, top view on the bottom side, and bottom view on the top side. And similarly, in case of third angle projection method, left hand side view drawn on the left hand side of the front view, right hand side view on the right side, top view on the top, and bottom view on the bottom. These are one example. Good example is taken for to differentiate between first angle and third angle. From it is clear that view A is considered front view, then view B becomes left hand side view, then view C becomes right hand side view, view E becomes bottom view, and view D becomes top view. It is in case of first angle projection method. Similarly, in case of third angle, which is opposite the first angle, view A is a front view, view C is a right hand side view, but similarly in the first angle it is in the left hand side, in the third angle it is in the right hand side. View B, it is in the left hand side for third angle, and view B is the left hand side in the third angle, view D is a top view, and view E is a bottom view. These are some standards for drawing first angle and third angle projection method, but normally in industry we are using first angle method for designing of component or drafting of the component. Here very good example of knuckle joint, which we know the knuckle joint is used in various applications, and in previous we already studied part drawing and assembly drawing. In upper, that modeling is there, and from that modeling or from that assembly drawing, various parts are drawn, and these various parts are manufactured, and in bottom that parts are manufactured as shown in the figure. In that 3D drawing, knuckle is there, knuckle pin, that is eye is there, fork is there, knuckle pin is there, washer is there. These individual parts are drawn just like a production drawing. Then individual parts indicates for individual part dimension are there, tolerances are there, gradient is there, surface finish are there, or any special treatment process are there. Once they manufacture, they comes for assembly. And in this bottom diagram, the assembly of knuckle joint is there, in which the I4 knuckle pin is inserted to form the assembly of the knuckle joint. Again, here assembly of knuckle joint. This knuckle joint consists of I4 knuckle and split pin. The eye is fixed in a 4. Then knuckle pin is inserted between that eye and 4, and at the end split pin is inserted. The main important thing is that the pin is inserted between whole of I and 4. So tolerance must be maintained and there must be clearance speed. So for such type of designing, when we are going to manufacture this, or when we are going to produce a production drawing of this, tolerance must be there. According to the clearance speed, the pin diameter must be G6 and the whole diameter of I and 4 must be S7, which indicates that there is a clearance speed because movement is there. Again, the width of I is fixed into that slot of the fork. So again, there must be proper clearance because there is a inclination moment is there. When then again we have to provide clearance speed is here. So if you are not providing clearance speed, when we are using press fitting, the iron fork movement is not there. So purpose of knuckle joint is not satisfied. Because of that, that proper dimensioning must be there, proper tolerancing must be there. There are some design aspects behind that because pin is in a bending movement also, it is in a shear movement also. So we have to design this pin according to bending. Then we have to design this pin according to shear. And once this is final, the measure diameter is taken for manufacturing this same. Once the once the design is final, then the drawing must be clear. If there is a problem in drawing, if you are given wrong tolerances, so part produced as per drawing become problem. So drawing must be clear, and the drawing must be clear. Every dimensions, every tolerances as per requirement, especially treatment process must be mentioning there. This is the basic of drawing of orthographic view, then drawing through first angle method, through third angle method. Normally our Indian industrial drawing drawn into first angle method, but country like USA they are using third angle projection method, but our Indian industry using first angle method. Then what is sectional view? Sectional view is a cut plane because it it becomes understandable to the person who are going to manufacture this component because our aim is drawing is must be clear, there should not be any interpretation. So such type of cases to understand drawing by various other peoples or other engineers, drawing must be clear. So this is the assembly of knuckle joint. Then again split pin is there. I already shown that split pin, it is one of the assembly of that split pin. Again various methods are used by first assembly drawing is there, then part drawing, production drawing is there, then manufacturing of it. Then once it is manufactured, then it is assembled, and that is showed the assembly of split pin. Thank you.